Did you know you can start YouTube channel today with zero experience, zero editing skills, and even zero ideas and still grow faster than most creators? Sound possible, right? But in 2026, this is exactly what is happening. Text to AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI step by step to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers. And make sure you watch until the end because I will show you complete AI workflow that can save you hours and help your videos perform better. Welcome to Chris Tech Lab. I will help you grow on YouTube, master tech, and use powerful tools to create better content. If you are serious about growing your channel, subscribe now because everything on this channel is built for beginners who want real result. Let us start with something important. Why AI is changing YouTube in 2026? If you ignore AI in 2026, you will grow slower than everyone else. Content creation has changed. Before, growing on YouTube required expensive equipment, editing skills, lot of time. But now, AI can do most of the work for you. Creators are using AI to generate video ideas, write scripts, edit videos, and create thumbnails. Many fast-growing channels today are powered by tools like ChatGPT for scripts and CapCut for editing. But this doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. The AI YouTube growth system. Instead of picking what works, the system gives you a clear path. Here is the complete AI workflow. First, idea generation. Second, script writing. Third, video creation. Fourth, editing. And fifth is optimization. If you master this system, you can produce videos faster than most creators. Now let us see AI for video ideas. If your idea is wrong, your video will fail no matter how good it looks. Most beginners struggle with what should I post. This is where AI becomes powerful. How to use AI? Ask ChatGPT. Give me trending YouTube topics in your niche. But don't stop there. Give me low competition topics for beginners. Here is the pro strategy. You must combine trending topic, beginner angle, and specific problem. Example, how to grow on YouTube with 0 subscribers in 2026. Now, let us see AI script writing. A bad script equals low watch time. Low watch time equals no growth. AI can help you write script fast, but you must guide it properly. Instead of write a script, say, write a 10-minute YouTube script with a strong hook, storytelling, and dictation techniques. Always edit the script, add personality, simplify language, and remove robotic tone. Now let us see AI video creation. You don't need expensive gear to create high quality videos. You can create videos using screen recording, stock footage, and voiceover. You can use tools like CapCut and OBS Studio. So start simple, quality improves with time. Now let us see AI editing. Editing is where most creators lose viewers. AI editing tools help you cut silence, add captions, and improve pacing. Here is the rotation tips. Cut every frame up to 5 seconds. Add subtitles and use zoom effect. So understand that faster videos equals higher rotation. Now let us see AI thumbnails. Your thumbnail decide if people click your video. Use tools like Canva to create thumbnails. Here is the high-CTR tips. Big bold text, contrast colors, and simple design. Your thumbnail should create curiosity. Let us see AI and YouTube SEO. Without SEO, your video won't get discovered. You must use AI to generate titles, write descriptions, and find keywords. Example, ask AI, give me SEO title for YouTube growth video. Understand that SEO helps your video get found. Now let us see posting strategy using AI. Consistency is easier when AI helps you plan. Use AI to plan weekly content, generate ideas, and create schedules. Here is the best plan. 2 videos per week and consistent niche. Let us see the AI growth blueprint. If you follow this system, growth becomes predictable. Here is the full strategy. Find the idea using AI. Second, write script. Third, create video. Fourth, edit fast. And fifth, optimize SEO. Repeat this consistently and your channel will grow. If you made it this far, you now have a complete AI system to grow your YouTube channel. Now tell me in the comments, are you using AI yet or just starting? If this video helped you, like, subscribe and share. And check out the next video on Chris Tech Lab to learn more about YouTube growth.